The Igam Road used to be a pothole stretch. Today, the last slab of concrete was being prepared to be filled when the Morobe Governor Kelly Naru went to visit the construction site. In August, he asked the company if the road would be completed in time for the PNG Games. Today, 6 days before the opening ceremony, he was told by the general manager all was in order.
And ours was meeting all spec with no problems at all.
This is one of several road sections built by JV PNG Constructions. Each stretch of road done in good time, complete with street lighting and bus stops. Given Lae's long history of poor road conditions, the governor wants to see more roads like this.
I want to take this opportunity to say my big thank you to the Works Department, the Secretary and all the staff, hardworking staff in Lae and Mosby, and also thank you to the Works Minister, Honorable Francis Awesa, who has at times been my nemesis.
In the next 5 years, road sections that have faced chronic problems will be replaced with concrete. It will be a far cry from what things were like in 2012. Scott Waide, National MTV News, Lae.